आयोजन का आरंभ होगा. We will commence with the national anthem. Kindly rise in its honor.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Jai Hind. Please be seated. A very good morning, everybody. Good morning. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you, especially our esteemed dignitaries, distinguished guests, and all you invitees, an iconic International Convention Hall of BSE for an extremely special event. Listing of Shipping Corporation of India Land and Asset Limited, which is also known as the SCI LAL. देवी और सज्जनों, बीएसई के शानदार इंटरनेशनल कन्वेंशन हॉल में उपस्थित आप सभी का मैं मानसी तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. Ladies and gentlemen, Shipping Corporation of India Land and Assets Limited is a Schedule C public sector enterprise of the Government of India, incorporated on November 10, 2021 under the Companies Act 2013 with the object of holding and disposing the non-core assets. With those words, we will now greet and welcome our esteemed dignitaries and distinguished guests with bouquets of flowers, beginning with Shri T.K. Ramachandran, Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Sir, could I request you to kindly step up on the stage, please? Let us have a resounding of claps for Shri T.K. Ramachandran, Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. Welcome, sir. You may please be seated. I will now request Shri Rajesh Kumar Sinha, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, to kindly step up on the stage and accept these flowers as a token of respect. Captain B.K. Tyagi, Chairman and Managing Director, SCI LAL. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Let us hear it loud for Captain B.K. Tyagi, Chairman and Managing Director, Shipping Corporation of India, Land and Asset Limited. Shri Atul Ubare, Director, Finance, SCI LAL. Welcome, sir. Shri Manjeet Singh Saini, Director, PNA, SCI LAL. Welcome to you. Madam Kamala K, Chief Regulatory Officer, BSE. And Shri Prankur Gupta, Director, DIPAM. और अब भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर इस समारोह का उद्घाटन होगा. In keeping with the Indian tradition, the function will be inaugurated by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp, and to do the honors, I request Shri T.K. Ramachandran, Secretary MOPSW, Shri Rajesh Kumar Sinha, Additional Secretary MOPSW, Captain B.K. Tyagi, CMD SCILAL, Shri Atul Ubare, Director Finance SCILAL, Shri Manjeet Singh Saini, Director PNI SCILAL, Madam Kamala Kesh, Chief Regulatory Officer, BSc, and Shri Prankur Gupta, Director, Deepam, to please do the honors.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
The lamp being lit, let us have a nice group picture, please. Thank you. The function being inaugurated, I request the esteemed dignitaries and distinguished guests to please take their seats on the dais while I call upon Captain B.K. Tyagi, Chairman and Managing Director, SCILAL, to kindly address this august gathering.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Respected Sri T.K. Ramachandran ji, all dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and all dear stakeholders and shareholders of SCLAL. It is with great pleasure and honor that I stand before you today as the chairman of SCILAL on this momentous occasion of the listing of our shares at the stock exchanges. On behalf of Shipping Corporation of India Land and Asset Limited, I take this opportunity to welcome you all on this momentous day of listing of SCILAL. At the outset, I extend my profound gratitude to Sri T.K. Ramachandran ji, IAS, Secretary MOPSW, Sri Rajesh Kumar Sinha ji, IAS, Additional Secretary MOPSW, Sri Venkatpati S, IAS Director, MOPSW, along with entire team of MOPSW, for their unwavering support and guidance right from incorporation of SCLAL till this day of listing. I also extend my deepest gratitude to Sri Tuin Kanta Pandey, Secretary Deepam, Madam Parma Sen, Additional Secretary, then Sri Rahul Jain ji, Joint Secretary Deepam, Sri Prankur Gupta ji, Director Deepam, and all other officials of Ministry of Corporate Affairs for their unstinted support given by them in various matters concerning the listing and other associated areas of the company. SCILAL prospered further with astride leadership of various stalwarts, including Sri Sanjay Kumar, SNFA, Sri Rajiv Jalota ji, Chairman, Mumbai Port Authority, Sri Rathendra Raman, Chairman, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Port, Sri Shyam Jagannathan ji, Director General of Shipping, who were dedicatedly managing the affairs of SCILAL. Their leadership is continued proficiently by us with the support and guidance of existing board member of SCILAL. That is Sri Rajesh Kumar Sinha ji, Sri Manjeet Singh Saini, Sri Atul Ubale ji, accompanied by other board members of SCI who were decisive and objective for all matters of SCILAL. Finally, yet importantly, I would like to thank and appreciate all the shareholders of the company for the trust and patience which you all have impersonated in our company. With your support, patience, and cooperation, the company is witnessing this glorious day. I personally thank and congratulate each one of you and wish to have this support in all future endeavors of this company. SCI Lal is a category C CPSC is formed and out of the vision and determination to unlock the potential of non-core assets of SCI. The company stands before you today as a symbol of progress and opportunity. Our formation pursuant to the scheme of arrangement of demerger approved by Ministry of Corporate Affairs via its order dated 22nd February 2023 underlines the commitment of the Government of India. This strategic move of keeping the non-core asset of SCI separate from the core business of SCI not only facilitates the efficient management of these resources, but also enhances transparency and accountability in our operations. Pursuant to the demerger, the non-core assets of SCI are now being managed by SCI Lal as its core assets. Along with widespread real estate situated at prominent locations, SCI LL also has a world-class maritime training institute serving Indian and international seafarers. With the support and guidance of Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Maritime Training Institute is growing up now to upgrade its facilities. SCI Lal is confident to take forward the legacy created by SCI, who is a pioneer in the Maritime Training Center. I also like to appraise you about the status of legal transfer of non-core assets from SCI to SCI Lal. With all the necessary approvals in place, the legal transfer of all properties at Calcutta from Shipping Corporation of India to SCI LL to the scheme of demerger is set to complete very shortly, hopefully maybe within this week. The persistent efforts are being made for obtaining required clearance from Maharashtra government for the leasehold properties, that is our shipping house, Mumbai, and the Grand Property Maritime Training Institute land, which is situated at Powai. In this, Deepaman Ministry of Ports and Shipping Waterways, they are guiding us, supporting us very closely. All other non-core assets situated at Maharashtra are at advanced stage of legal transfer from SCI to SCI LL. This company is free from debt and is having cash equivalent to more than rupees 1,000 crores. The net worth of the company stands at rupees 3,216 crore. This was the value as on 31st December 2023. And book value of real estate properties is approximate 2,388 crores. Again, this was on 31st December 2023, which reflects on the strong financial health of the company. As per market analysis, the market values of these non-core assets of the company is much, much more than their book value. The listing of our shares at the stock exchanges open up a plethora of opportunities for us to broaden our investor base, increase liquidity, and strengthen our market presence. It also reflects our commitment to adhering to the highest standard of corporate governance and transparency, thereby fostering trust and confidence among our shareholders and the investing community at large. As we look ahead, let us reaffirm our commitment to excellence, innovation, and responsible corporate citizenship. Let us seize the opportunities that lie before us with the determination and strive to create enduring value for all our stakeholders. Together, we will continue to chart new horizons, inspire positive changes, and contribute to the socio-economic development of our great country. As we embark on this new chapter, it is imperative to acknowledge the collective efforts and unwavering support of all stakeholders involved, which essentially includes the dedicated team of professionals of SCI LAL, SCI, team of corporate professional, demerger consultant, team of JK, JS and Company statutory auditors, team of Amit Ray and Company internal auditors, team of Big Share Services Private Limited, RTA, and team of Mehta and Mehta, practicing company secretary of the company. Each one of you have played an integral role in shaping the success story of SCI LAL. Together, we have navigated through challenges and laid a strong foundation for sustainable growth and prosperity. With these thoughts, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for your resolute support and confidence in our company. This event marks a significant milestone in our journey. That is not only a testament to our resilience and dedication, but also a reflection of the trust and confidence that you, our esteemed shareholders, have placed in us. Together, let's write the next chapter of our success story and build a Viksit Bharat. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Captain Tyagi, for the initial remarks and also for putting the SCI LAL in a nutshell for all present. I will now invite Madam Kamala K, Chief Regulatory Officer, BSE, for her address. Ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. Respected Mr. T.K. Ramachandran, IAS Secretary of Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Additional Secretary Mr. Rajesh Kumar Sinha ji, Captain B.K. Tyagi ji, Manjit Singh ji, Atul Ubale ji, and Parunkar Gupta ji. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this historic International Convention Hall of BSE. I also extend a warm welcome to all the officials of various ministries of the corporate entity that is getting listed and one and all present here. I extend a very, very warm welcome to each one of you. Shipping Corporation is already a familiar entity in the securities market space as it is already listed. And offshoot of that entity getting listed on our exchange is a pride moment for all the investor community, apart from pride moment for BSE itself. When offshoot of an existing entity forays into listing space, we find journey of such company being very smooth for the simple reason they inherit a rich pedigree from their parent. So we believe that the governance levels, the compliance levels, and the disclosure levels would start from a very high benchmark and a high baseline. And when new companies come, we need to handhold them on all these fronts. And that responsibility of handholding is not here because they're already starting on a high benchmark. And this new entity which is getting listed due to demerger scheme wherein non-core assets of shipping operation are getting hived off into this new entity. As I was speaking just before this function, would get a dedicated and a unfettered focus on the activities of this new entity. In larger scheme of things, such an attention would have been difficult, whereas now a dedicated focus will take these initiatives also into newer heights. Maritime training is something which is very, very critical part of skill set that is required in our country setup, both from defense and business and commercial perspective, and that itself is getting dedicated focus. Probably our younger generation will have newer opportunities to serve the country through this training that they're going to acquire. And it's a happy moment for the new incoming listed company because they're going to discover their prize. And public sector undertakings coming to listing arena and increasing transparency and governance is always a welcome move because you are leading by example. as government entity, if you are able to demonstrate a high degree of responsibility, that creates a landmark kind of benchmark for other private sector entities which come on to listing. So I wish the new coming entity, Shipping Corporation of India Land and Assets Limited, all the very best on their debut in the market, and we look forward to their long association with securities market, benefiting investor community at large and society at large. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your thoughts with us this morning. I will now request Sri Rajesh Kumar Sinha, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, to address the audience.
Suprabhat, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Respected Secretary, Sir, distinguished gentry on the dais, esteemed participants of the morning event. Facts have been stated. I take this opportunity only for 2 points. One is to express my gratitude to the effort, or rather the combined efforts made by Ministry of DIPAM, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Department of Public Enterprises, apart from my own ministry, led by Honorable Minister and Secretary, Sir, and Shipping Corporation of India Board, and also SCI Lal Board. This has all been a very systematic, very systematized, and very time-bound activity that we have come to this event today. I have spent about 1 year in this ministry, but I have seen the process, the issues, and the challenges which we have gone through. And that actually is a credit to the system of Government of India of how to demerge, how to disinvest, and how to monetize assets. This is one shining example of that. So my gratitude to that effort. It has been stated that, and I was just thinking that this is actually a beginning of a morning for this lovely company. The SCI Lal, which has taken over the non-core assets of SCI, now become the core for this company. And therein lies the value of this company. It has been stated just now by the CMD that probably the market value is, I do not know what is the market value and what it is called, but this is certainly many times more than the book value which is available on the paper. One very important part of this company is its Maritime Training Institute. It is located in Mumbai. It is renowned all over the world. I have seen this institute being discussed in IMO London for the training, the quality of training that it imparts, and the quality of seafarers that India produces. So this institute, we are also planning, we are just in the process, we have just begun the process of developing it into a center of excellence with IMO. It will become some kind of center of excellence in South Asia or in Asia Pacific or some geographical location. But we have just started the process. So this will also add to global recognition of this. It's already recognized, but probably it will add more value to this effort. The kind of training that this institute imparts will go far beyond what STCW convention, which is a convention for the training standards for the seafarers, much beyond that. And also has been spoken about the assets which are available with this company, both land assets and also buildings, and also the skills, which if you look at the personnel in this company, look at the institutes, those who manage this institute, that skill is invaluable. So these are my initial thoughts. The company already has been stated to have a reserve or cash surplus of a few thousand crore rupees with no debt to begin with. It will all, people will be indebted to this company. This is how I see it, not on the books. If you look at we are sitting in the stock exchange, we should be only talking about the money and the value going up and down. But you look at the skill that it creates in the sector will be for many generations, maybe many decades, the community, this business will be indebted to this company. My best wishes to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable insights. I will now invite Shri T.K. Ramachandran ji, Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, to address us on this highly significant and equally joyous occasion. Sir.
यहाँ उपस्थित सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. Birth is always a happy occasion in India, and so also the birth of a company is a momentous, a very happy occasion. So I would like to start by thanking everyone for being present today on this momentous occasion of the listing of Shipping Corporation of India, Land and Assets Limited, SCI Lal, on the Bombay Stock Exchange and the NSE. We have with us a very distinguished set of colleagues on the dais, including the CMD of SCI, an Additional Secretary, Srimati Kamla K, Chief Regulatory Officer, Mr. Gupta from the DIPAM Ministry, Shri Atul Lubale, Director of Finance, Shri Manjeet Saini, Director of P&A, and of course all of you from the SCI and the BSE families who are here with us to share this momentous occasion. I should at the beginning express our deepest gratitude to all those who made this possible. As you are aware, this process of disinvestment has been ongoing for quite some time. And one of the first steps was this demerger, followed by the listing. And this has been in the works for the past year or so. And we have to thank the DIPAM Ministry, the DPE, and all other ministries who made this possible. SCI Lal, as you know, was incorporated on November 10, 2021 to unlock the value of the non-core business and assets of SCI and to get it potentially utilized for value creation. The SCI Lal has been created with a vision to building a leading real estate holding company and a world-class maritime training organization serving both Indian and international shipping and seafarers. After due approvals, the SCI Lal has been granted initially Schedule C status. The vision of the Government of India, as enshrined in the Maritime India Vision, which was launched in 2021 by the Honorable Prime Minister, and the Maritime Amritkal Vision 2047, which was launched last year by the Honorable Prime Minister. As per this vision, the aim is to grow the Maritime Training Institute into a leading global institute of education and research through collaboration, capacity building, and digitalization. Very pertinently, SCI Lal today is a 1,000 crore plus cash surplus company, a zero debt company, as was pointed out earlier, and it has significant real estate holdings in the heart of Mumbai, which is the commercial capital of India, comprising 159 residential quarters, the office building at Madam Kama Road and MTI Powai. And in Calcutta, we have 15 residential quarters and office building and lands. Therefore, SCI Lal has the potential to emerge as an important and consistent source of wealth generation for its shareholders. I would also like to tell you that we have a great many plans for the company, for the assets to be converted into wealth generating sources. As you're all also aware, in the last few years, the PSUs have been doing very well on the stock exchange, and I'm sure that with this listing, SCI Lal will also do very well. I hope that SCI Lal will also offer shareholders much needed portfolio diversification in today's highly volatile market. We were discussing with Ms. Kamala before this event, and we are highly positive the kind of vibes this place gives. It's such a historic building, and it's the first time I'm entering the BSE. I'm entering this hall, so it is, you know, the spirit of the entire commercial capital, the business acumen of the entire country. You know, it runs through this building, and it's very nice to be here. I'm sure many of you share this feeling with me. In fact, a few minutes back, Mr. Ubale was telling me that this is the first time, in spite of having been in Mumbai for so long, it's the first time he's entering this building. So I'm sure that is the case with most of you, because we all, you know, being government employees, often stay away from stocks. But now the situation is totally different. The stock market is booming, thanks to a beautiful set of regulatory laws and the regime that has been put in place, and with most competent people like Ms. Kamala at the helm. And therefore, it's also for me a great pleasure to be here, because my batchmate from the civil service, Mr. Pramod Agarwal, is the chairman of the BSE, and I'm sure under the dynamic team here, the SCI Lal will do very well. We expect the company to continue its journey of value creation for its shareholders and investors in the years to come. Best wishes to the management of SCI Lal for their endeavors and lots of success in the years to come. And let me also congratulate all the shareholders, because I'm sure this company is going to be a winner all the way. Just in a few minutes, I'm sure a lot of people are going to become, let's say, millionaires or crorepati's. I don't know. And congratulations to all of them in advance. So thank you, everyone, once again for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. And time now for memento presentation. As a congratulatory gesture, Madam Kamala K, Chief Regulatory Officer, will present a memento to Captain B.K. Tyagi, Chairman and Managing Director, SCI LAL. Kindly accept this. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is a mini replica of the bell that has been placed on the stage, which will be rung exactly at 10 o'clock. Request ma'am to please present a memento. A memento for Shri T.K. Ramachandran, Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Shri Rajesh Kumar Sinha, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Shri Atul Ubale, Director Finance, SCI LAL. Shri Manjeet Singh Saini, Director PNA, SCI LAL. And Shri Prankur Gupta, Director Deepam. Thank you. The momentous time, ladies and gentlemen, for which we all are eagerly waiting, is fast approaching. I will request ma'am to please join in and proceed for the bell ringing that will mark the official listing of Shipping Corporation of India Land and Assets Limited. The relentless hard work and untiring efforts finally coming to fruition. देवी और सज्जनों, जिस पल की हम प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे वो करीब आ रहा है. Please put your hands together as the customary countdown will begin. So join me in cheering when we will be 10 seconds away from 10 o'clock. जब 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे, आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाइएगा. Till then, we will capture these moments in the form of photographs to be treasured for a long time to come. Ladies and gentlemen, we are almost getting there. Listings are milestones, and milestones are ways of looking at the past with gratitude, present with appreciation, and future with lots and lots of hope. With that, as you can see on the bell, we are just about half a minute away from the bell ringing. Let us be in readiness to welcome and celebrate the moment. 20 seconds away from 10 o'clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So heartiest congratulations to the management, stakeholders, well-wishers of Shipping Corporation of India Land and Assets Limited. यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए कैप्चर हो रहे हैं फोटोग्राफ्स के रूप में, और तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम इस पल को फिर से एक बार सजाते हैं. All right, thank you. And now, time for presenting mementos in reciprocation on behalf of the company, that is the SCI LAL. I will request the Chairman and Managing Director of Shipping Corporation of India Land Assets Limited to please present a memento in reciprocation to all the dignitaries on the dais, beginning with Shri T.K. Ramachandran ji, Secretary, Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. Please accept this memento as a token of reverence and love. Shri Rajesh Kumar Sinha ji, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. Please accept this memento from Captain B.K. Tyagi. I will request Captain Tyagi to please present a memento to Madam Kamala K., Chief Regulatory Officer, BSC. And a memento for Shri Prankur Gupta, Director, Deepam, from Captain Tyagi. I will now request Shri Manjeet Singh Saini, Director, PNA SCILL, to please present a memento to Captain B.K. Tyagi, Chairman and Managing Director, SCILL. I will request Captain Tyagi to now present a memento to Shri Atul Ubare, Director, Finance, SCILL. A memento for Shri Manjeet Singh Saini, Director, PNA, SCILL, from Captain Tyagi. Thank you, Captain Tyagi. You may please be seated while I request Shri Saini to please present a few mementos, beginning with Madam Lakshmi Kamath, Chief Financial Officer, SCILL. Shri Mohammad Firoz, Company Secretary, SCILL. Shri Natarajan Prakash Subramanya, Chief Financial Officer, as well as the finance team of SCI. Shrimati Swapnita Vikas Yadav, Company Secretary, SCI. Messrs. Corporate Professional Capital Private Limited, the demerger consultant. Messrs. Big Share Services Private Limited, Registrar and Share Transfer Agent. Messrs. Mehta and Mehta Partners, Practicing Company Secretaries. Thank you. Thank you, Saniji. I will request Shri Atul Ubare, Director Finance SCILL, to please present the next few mementos, beginning with Messrs. JKJS and Company LLP, the statutory auditor. Messrs. Amit Ray and Company, internal auditor. Board Secretariat of the SCI and the SCI LAL team. And now the legal team of SCI and SCI LAL. Let me call the listing ceremonial committee, SCI and SCI LAL, onto the stage. Thank you for those claps. Concept Communication Limited. Lavjeet Singh Saini, the logo designer. He could not be present here today, so I will request Sri Saini ji to please accept the memento on his behalf. Maritime Training Institute, MTI team of the SCI and SCI LAL. I now call on stage the CMD Secretariat team of the SCI and SCI LAL. And now the PNA team of SCI and SCI LAL. And now the IT team of SCI and SCI LAL. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, let us have a combined round of applause for all those who have contributed towards a successful listing. And now, the vote of thanks will be proposed by Shri Manjeet Singh Saini, Director, PNA, SCI LAL.
Good morning, everyone. It's a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me start by congratulating and thanking our esteemed shareholders. I would like to express our profound gratitude to our esteemed shareholders. Your unwavering trust and persistent support has been the driving force behind our journey to this significant milestone. Your belief in us has propelled us forward, and for that we are truly grateful. First and foremost, I would like to extend our deepest appreciation to our distinguished guest, Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri T.K. Ramchandran ji, and Additional Secretary of MOPSW, Shri Rajesh Kumar Sinha ji, who despite their busy schedule have found time to grace this occasion. Sir, your presence here today have enriched our listing ceremony immeasurably and serves as a beacon of inspiration for all of us. I also express my heartfelt thanks to Shri Pankur Gupta ji, Director, Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, DIPAM, Madam Kamla K, Shri Chief Regulatory Officer, Bombay Stock Exchange Limited, with their valued presence. We are grateful to Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Department of Investment and Public Assets Management for continued support and invaluable guidance to Team SCI and SCI LAL. We thank our Chairman and Managing Director, Captain B.K. Tyagi ji, for his stewardship, support, vision and commitment. CMD sir, we thank you for encouraging us all the time, even when some timelines seemed extremely challenging, but we overcame those challenges successfully under your exemplary leadership. Thank you to my fellow board members of SCI LAL and SCI for all the support. A special thank to BSC Limited and team for their gracious hospitality and providing us with this exceptional venue and facilities. Thanking you to our demerger consultants, Mr. Corporate Professional Capital Private Limited, our registrar and share transfer agent, Ms. Big Share Service Private Limited, our practicing company secretaries, Mehta and Mehta Partners, statutory auditors, GK GK, GS and Company, internal auditors, Amit Ray and Company, the event manager for today, Concept Communications, vendors and other agencies that have immensely contributed towards this occasion. I thank all the distinguished invitees present here for accepting our invitation. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Captain Vivek Bhandarkar ji, his publications, the media fraternity from Marex Media, ANI, Doordarshan, PTI, ET News for their interest in covering today's event. Lastly, I extend my thanks to all the individuals and officers who have worked tirelessly behind the scene to ensure the success of today's event. Thank you all for all your unwavering support and dedication. Thank you, Ji. Jai Hind.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude this event, but let us put our hands together one more time in commemoration. I will request all those on this to please come together for a group picture, which will stay with us for times to come.